B1 family.
Tell us what's in the boxes.
The parade of FBI agents answered no questions as they walked out of the Manhattan headquarters of the Sergeant Benevolence Association in Tribeca Tuesday morning. Active and retired NYPD sergeants. Authorities won't say what sparked the search, but sources say the FBI is investigating alleged financial improprieties. Agents also searched the Long Island home of Ed Mullins and are It was just a matter of time before his endless hatred would catch up with him. That day has come. Now, despite the resignation, no charges have been filed against Ed Mullins.